In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert Bitcoin to USDC using Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So I'm gonna go straight to the point. All you need to do is go to convert right here, and then at the top, you will find all your cryptos. So just choose Bitcoin or the one that you want to convert. It's basically the same process for any crypto. But in this case, let's choose Bitcoin, and right here at the bottom, let's put the crypto we want to get. So in this case, it should be USDC, but you can even convert it to fiat if you want to convert it to dollars, euros, pounds, or whatever you want. But let's say we want to convert Bitcoin to USDC. Just do it like this, and then you can put the amount of Bitcoin you want to exchange or the amount of USDC you want to get. So it will also give you an approximated conversion to your currency, and then you can select if you want to convert it now or later. So after that, just review the transaction to see the details of this conversion, check that everything is right, that you agree with the fees, and then just confirm. So I'm not gonna do it, but that's the process. And after that, if you go to your wallet, you should find USDC right here, and this way you can withdraw it just by clicking right here. So you can send it to whoever you need, or you can even sell your USDC to exchange it for fiat. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.